Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kinkycurly Africa, just in case you don't know, and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple deep conditioning let me say recipe I kind of developed some time back. Just that there was an ingredient that I added today that I normally didn't add, but I added it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it right. So if you are ready, if you're interested in this video, you definitely want to keep on watching. Hi guys, so this is like a deep conditioning base for me. Right here I have some fenugreek seeds. I pre-soaked this up for about 2 to 3 hours now, and as you can see, it has nicely I don't know how to say it, but the color is now in the water, so which means the water has now absorbed most of the nutrients in the fenugreek. And right here I have rice water. This is rice. I also pre-soaked this for about 2 to 3 hours now with some rosemary on it. And rosemary has some really good properties that are good for your hair, for your scalp, for your skin, and for all that. And it also gives a pleasant smell, right? So I am just going to strain out some of the water that I'm going to pour into my spray bottle that I'm going to be using as my growth mix. So I have a bowl right here. I'm just going to strain out the water. I couldn't find my sieve, so alright, so now I have the seeds here, and I'm going to strain the rice water also onto the fenugreek water. So that is a pretty nice mix, and I'm going to try to strain the rosemary onto the fenugreek. Alright, so I'm going to set this one aside for later, and I'm going to pour it in my spray bottle. I'll show you guys how I do that in a bit. Alright, so now let's move to the deep conditioning. I have my blender right here, and I have four ripe bananas. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but I have 4 ripe bananas. These are small, of course, from our backyard garden. These are really ripe, and I'm just going to dump those into the blender, and I'm going to pour the fenugreek seeds on it as well, fenugreek and the rosemary. And this rice might be actually hard, and I saw in some videos that some people pre-boil this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to dump it in it, and I hope it blends well. And I have egg here. So trick is, don't just break the egg directly into the blender, because the egg might be bad. So my mom always advised that you break it aside first, so you know it's a good egg before you pour it into the blender, right? Alright, so that's the mix we have now. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some oils and some powders. This is turmeric powder. I like to add a bit of this into it. And then I'm going to go in with my chili powder. I got this from Hot Flow. All right, so I'm going to now go in with my oils. Right, so I have this sister hair oil here. I did a giveaway and I think I'll still do one more soon. I got this from GoCals Cosmeceuticals. Check them out on Instagram at GoCals, and this is how it looks like. Right, so I'm just going to open that up. Just going to open that up quickly. Open it, make an opening here, and let me show you guys how it looks like. It is green. Right, okay, that's enough. Just going to pour that in here. And I'm going to go in with some coconut oil. I got this from Natural Treats Ghana, and it's almost done, so I'm just going to pour a few drops in. I'm also going to go in with my chebe oil. I got this from Hot Pro as well. Since my hair doesn't normally like oils, I just like to pour everything in the deep conditioning and then just apply it to my hair together, right? And last but not least, I'm going to go in with my olive oil, and I am just going to pour some in there as well. And I'm going to blend that all together, and I'll come right back to show you how it looks like. But before then, this is how it looks like in the blender, I mean the whole mix. So I'm just going to blend them all together and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's blended all, and I realized that there are still some lumps in it, so I want to sieve it because, well, it's not like it's that bad actually. Okay, what do I do, what do I not do? Okay, so I'm not going to sieve it anymore. The mixture is all nice and blended. Let me show you guys. It's not really smooth because the rice, I should have actually cooked it a bit to just soften it up, right? But I didn't, so I'm just gonna use it that way. Alright guys, so I put a bit of the water I strained from the fenugreek and the rice water into the blender to get the rest of the particles out into the deep conditioner. And after that, this is what your mixture should look like. And of course, without the rice in it, it should be smoother, right? But this is how mine came out looking like. So if you want to see how I applied it to my hair and its outcome, you definitely want to watch the next video. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.